Hello guys, I tell you today VA loan for a multi-family home. Military service members have a big advantage when it comes to buying a multi-family home. They don't need a down payment if they take out a home loan backed by the US Department of Veterans Affairs. However, before you tackle the responsibilities of both homeowner and landlord, there are some important requirements you will need to understand to get a VA loan for a multifamily home. What is a VA loan for a multifamily home and why should I get one? In most cases, a multi-family home is a single building that houses two, three, or four separate dwelling units for different families. A property with two, three, or four units may also be called a duplex or triplex, fourplex. The VA requires you to live in one of the units while renting out the others for rental income. This gives you the opportunity to build home equity and become a real estate investor. This is now as house hacking. The extra income may offset some or even all of your monthly mortgage payments and even allow you to pocket extra cash to cover other using housing related expenses. The next step, three reasons to buying a multifamily home with a VA loan. There are three major benefits to buying a multiply family home with a VA loan versus other loan programs. Number one, no down payments is required. Multifamily homes can be purchased without a down payment if you have enough VA entitlement compared to loans backed by the Federal Housing Administrator FHA that require at least a 3.5% down payment and conventional loans that require up to 25% down to buy a multi-family home. No mortgage insurance is required. VA loans don't require mortgage insurance, which is required to help lenders recoup money lost if you default on an FHA or conventional mortgage. Two or more eligible veterans can buy up to a 7 unit property. The VA has a special joint loan option for two or more veterans to purchase a multifamily home with up to 7 units. Other loan programs limit you to a 4 unit maximum. The next step, can you buy a multifamily home with a VA loan? You can buy a multifamily home with a VA loan if you meet the basic military service requirements for a VA mortgage. You qualified based on your credit scores, incomes, and total debits. You have enough extra cash to cover 6 months of mortgage payments on the VA multifamily home you are buying. You plan to move into one of the properties within 60 days of closing and will remain there for at least 12 months. The next step, to buying a multifamily home with a VA loan.